boys. I just saw a fucking firework pop off. Come on. Come on, please. Please, I need to put my YouTube channel. Come on. Oh! Yes. Yes. They're shooting more. Yes. Hell yeah. I get this shit on recording. I get this shit on recording. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. They're shooting more fireworks. We're shooting more fireworks. Come on. Yes. The YouTube God heard my call. He's like, let the boy have his subscribers, please. Oh! Oh, what was that? Oh, that dinky little fire. What was that? Hey, look, on the bright side, it's something. It's something, I guess. Look at some more fireworks. I would love to like go down the street, but my parents. Oh yeah, the cops. I forgot about the cops. Oh, more. Oh shit, what's that, nigga? Come on. Give me some more. I got the video. Oh, there's shooting more. Come on, as soon as I unpause the video, you'll see. We found more fireworks. It's not a very clean shot, but it's some, bro. Nigga, are you serious right now, bruh? Are you serious right now, bruh? Hi, pieces of shit. Come on, shoot another one. Come on. Oh, come on. Okay. Come on. This monkey is bull. Oh! Yes, sir. Come on, looking for a fireworks show. I think it's like down there. Yeah, I think they're shooting like some fireworks over there somewhere. I don't really care where though. As long as I get more fucking fireworks. Oh, hi mother, how long were you standing there? Nah, Jamal. Are you fucking... Goddamn, everybody's just trying to watch the fireworks show. Better sit on this rock. I'm not missing out on this time. Come on, fireworks.